Okay, I wanted to just talk quickly about these railings that I installed on this second story deck. These are Aria railings, A-R-I-A, powder coated black. Very, very simple to install. I think they were $235 plus tax. They come almost assembled. All the balusters are in, and this is a two-piece system like this. This part is in, and the bottom part is in, and all you have to do is use this nice cover piece and that bottom cover piece, and you snap it in. And the best way to snap these things in, and it took me a long time to figure this out, is ratcheting clamps. 3 of them. Now this is an 8-footer. If you got a 6-footer, you probably don't need 3 of them. You probably just need 2. And you use a little block of wood underneath here, and you just ratchet clamp through, and you got to go until it snaps in. You can hear it. It really, really snaps in loud. And when you put your finger underneath here, you're going to see it. You're going to feel a lip. If you don't feel a lip, it's not snapped in. And you got to do that to the tops and the bottoms. Without a doubt, the ratcheting clamp's the way to go. Now, I have to say, I love these things so much, and they're very, very sturdy. I am replacing my back deck railings. I had those Fibron plastic ones. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. In fact, in the videos that I did on that deck, I said do not buy 8-footers. You can buy 6-footers. They're not that bad. 8-footers, horrible. These 8-footers are awesome. I mean, these are very, very sturdy. And I would never, when I started this deck, I said there's no way I'm ever going to put a Fibron plastic railing on a second story deck. It's just, it doesn't, like, you wouldn't feel safe standing right here. But right now, I feel totally safe. These things are solid. It's really, really good. Now, if you notice here, I didn't use a cover, a post cover. I just went right to pressure treated. Very difficult to find a cap and a base that fits directly onto a pressure treated nominal 4x4 size, meaning 3 5/8 by 3 5/8. I went to Dex Direct. That's what I went to, Dex Direct. I'm going to link to these in the description, and I have to say the color basically matches perfect. I mean, it's like it's the same company. It really is, but it's not. Without a doubt, it's not. Dex Direct probably gets these things made from who knows where. The base is great too because it's 2 pieces. That means that you don't have to wait to get those to install the railing. You can put the railing up, and then when you get the base, you can put it on because it encapsulates the post. Well, the ones that slip over, clearly, if the railing is installed, you can't do anything about that. Very, very happy with these. I am without a doubt going to be buying these railings for the back deck, putting them on probably next year. And these, Home Depot is where I got the railings. So, what is it? 4 pieces. It cost maybe $1,100. Home Depot credit card, right? Home Depot credit card. Anything over $1,000 is like 18 months or something like that, interest free, or 12 months interest free. Absolutely great. These covers and the base, I can't remember how much it came to. I needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm pretty sure it was like $200 or something like that. Well, you'll see when I link to them. It's way worth it because I tried ordering something from Home Depot. They didn't fit. It says, oh, if it's nominal 4x4 size, but they're counting the sleeve, meaning if you put their sleeve over a 3 5/8 4x4, then it'll fit. It's ridiculous. It's just, you just never know what's going on. But the Dex Direct ones, they have a little drop down. You want 3 5/8 by 3 5/8, 3 3/4 by 3 3/4, 3 4 inches by 4 inches. They are the way to go, without a doubt. And I can't believe the shipping was like 2 days. I ordered it, and 2 days later it was here. Now, I don't know. I'm in New York, so it's possible that maybe they have like a distribution area over here or something like that. But it came in 2 days. I couldn't believe it. I thought, and this is why I ordered the 2-piece setup. I said, okay, who knows how long this is going to take. It's going to take a week and a half or something. I'm not waiting to install the railings. So, but things came right away. So, very, very happy with the railings and Dex Direct for the cap and base. And that's it. All right, everyone. See ya.